Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make papaya stir fry recipe. It's a yummy recipe usually served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutter. Then add 3 chopped garlic cloves and cook for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion. 2 slit green chilies, half teaspoon salt, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame until onion becomes translucent. Then keep it low flame and we can add the masalas. Add 2 teaspoons Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon Coriander Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now we can add 2 cups of papaya cut into smaller pieces like this. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. After 4 minutes, we can open the lid. Stir it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then without closing the lid, cook for 2 minutes to remove excess water. We can switch off the flame. Our Kerala special papaya stir fry recipe is ready. Papaya is one of the healthy food which is very famous in Kerala. Just try and enjoy the flavors.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.